Welcome to Nagesh Rasge Orchid School channel. Myself Reena Patel. I am going to teach you 5th standard mathematics. Already we had learned operations, different types of operations. We had seen various examples. We had done the addition, we had done the subtraction, and we had done the multiplication. These three types of operations we had completed, and we had seen the various problems which was used in our daily life. Now the last operation is an division. What is a division? Divide, the word itself says we have to go for dividing things. If you are having 50 mangoes, you have to divide with your 4 brother and sister. What you will do? You will give one mango to each and everyone? No, because you know what is the meaning of division. Yes, small numbers you can do the division very easily. Today we are going to see divisions with a large number, divisions which will see the simple example first, then we will go for an word problem. Yes, my dear student, please pay attention. I am going to start with a division. Here we are having a division, one of the sum here, which we will do the division of a 4-digit number which is divided by 2-digit number. Yes, simple numbers, you were knowing about the tables 12, 20, 25. Yes, but I am having a different types of examples which you don't know the tables. Then what to do? I will give one small trick to you, how to solve the division without any knowing the big tables. A large number of tables, the numbers which are big, larger than 2-digit, 3-digit. Yes, we will try to solve one by one. Here one of the division sum is 3, 4, 2, 6 divided by 22. If I write 2, you can do it very easily. Yes, which you had learned in your previous class. Now my number will be 22. What should I do first? Yes, one by one we will learn the step. Here I am having 2-digit number, so I have to go for here 2-digit number. If the number here it is smaller than that of an divisor, then we have to go for 3-digit number. One more example we will see, then you will understand what are the things. Here I am having 2-digit number as a 22, here I am having 34. So this number is greater, so I can go as 22 ones are 22. I will put a line. What should I do? I have to subtract. What should I do? Subtract. If I go for 22 twos are, it will be 44. This number always you have to write the multiplied number that should be smaller than that of a dividend. Are you getting me? So I had written here 22, not a 44. Here 4 minus, because I had written here minus, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. One small trick I am going to give you, that whenever you are doing the subtraction, after the subtraction this number should be smaller than this number. Is this 12 is smaller than 22? Yes. If you are getting something here or 24 or 42 or something, means you had done somewhere wrong here. You had done subtraction wrong, or you might be done multiplication wrong. So now we got 12 because it is a smaller than that of divisor. Now we will we will get the next number down. Here will be 2. Do you know the table? No, you don't know the table of 22. Now what we will do? We will do 22, we will try with 3. Listen, very simple. First these 3 you will multiply 2 once. Then these 3 you will multiply 2 times. So you know what is 3 twos are? You have to write with ones from your right hand side. So I will write 6. What is 3 twos are? 6. What I got answer? 66. Is the nearest to this number? No. Then we have to try with a big number. We have to multiply it with 4. Then again we will do the multiplication. 4 2s are 8. Don't write here because we are multiplying ones. It should be written in ones. So again here what will be? 4 2s are 8. Is this number near to 122? No. Then we will try for next number is 22 multiplied by 5. What will be here again? You might be thinking how to do the carry. Yes, I will give some simple clue for you. 5 2s are 10 and you have to write one carry here only. And again you will multiply to this. Again 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So what will be? 110. You might be having some doubt. Is near or it will be the bigger? What will be? We will try with the next number also, which is 22 multiplied by 6. Again same rule we have to follow. 6 2s are 12. We have to put small carry and 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Now you can find out which number will be suitable here. Is 110 will be suitable or 132? You know, always you have to write the number lesser than this. You should not write bigger number than this. So what will be the lesser number here? Is 110. Is how much? 5s. So what I will write? I will write 22 5s are 110. What should I do? Do subtraction. Then what I will write? 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Did I get the number smaller than that 22? Yes, I got the number, means I am right. Now I will go for next number. I have to get the next number down. Here is 6. Now already we are having the table. Yes, because we had not rubbed here. You have to write the table to your right hand side of your page and you have to do it. Now 126, which number will be suitable here? With 22 5s or 22 6s? Yes, you are right. It will be suitable for 5s. So what will be here? 110. What will be this again? Subtract. Don't forget to do the subtraction. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again remember, my dear student, always when you subtract, it should be smaller, then only your answer is right. Yes? What is this then? This is known as a remainder. This is known as an quotient. This is known as divisor, and this is our dividend. Now, one by one, step by step, we have to do. What? I had given you some simple trick to you, how to find out the division of large number. Now, one more example we will go, so you will understand how to do the division. There may be a different number, different situation, and we have to find out the quotient, and we don't know the table of the large number. Then what to do? I had told in the now with the 2 minutes before, so you have to write the table. Should we go with this? Yes, we will go 3 6 8 3 divided by 36. Now you might be having some puzzle in your mind. Here we are having 36, here also we are having 36. What to do? Yes, if it is possible, we have to do it. If we are having a smaller number, then only we have to go for 3 numbers. We are having a very similar, so we can say that 36 ones are 36. Everyone know 36 ones are 36. So what we will do? 36 ones are 36. Do the subtraction. 0 0. Now we have to get next number here down. Is it possible 36 to any number? No. So what we have to write? 36 zeros are 0 and we will get another number down here. So what you do? You can do in the one more step you can extend is zeros are 8 and you can get the another number down. So 1 by 1 what we had done in the previous sum, same we had done here with step by step. So now we have to see the table. So here what will go? 36 2s are 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. It's very near to this number. So here we are having the big number. If you add 36 to that, it will be too large. So you know it is very near to this 83, 72 and 83 are very near to each other. So we will go 4 and 2s are. So what will be our number? 72. What should I do? Subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. So what will be our? This is our remainder. What is our question? Is 102. I think so you understood. If you write the tables there, it will be more easy for you to solve the different types of division. You can create your own, numbers and you can do the division of this. Here we had seen different, we are having with a 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. Here we had done the similar. We will go for one more example. I am having here 6 digit number divided by 3 digit number. So what to do then? It's very hard. No, same rule we have to follow. First we have to see 3 digit and this 3 digit. Is possible? Here we are having smaller number, so we have to go for 4 digit number. So we don't know what we have to do. We have to do the similar multiplication here. We have to write from 5, then we have to go for 6, then we have to go for 7 and we have to find out the values. So now it is given here, we will multiply it by 7, we will get 2646. What we had done? We had done the subtraction and we got this. What we had done? We have to take a borrow here. Yes, if you are going here, again we have to go for borrow here. So it will be, here is 2 minus 2 is 0. So after the subtraction we got this number as 188. We have got 1 down here and we got this number. Now you can see 188 number is smaller than this. Yes, so you are right. Now get the next number down and we got this number 1881. Again we have to see with multiplication and we have to find out. Here we will multiply by 4. So what we will get? 1512. We will do the subtraction here. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So what number we got? This number we have to get it down. So we wrote as 9 here. Again you see 369 is smaller than 378. So you are right. So get the number down and do subtraction here. And what is this? I told already in the previous sum is your remainder. This is your quotient. This is your divisor and this is your dividend. Now this big division sum I had done. Is my division sum is correct or not? How to check? How to check this sum? Yes, we have to use multiplication properties. What we will do is very simple. Divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. What is our divisor? Is 378 multiplied by 749 plus our remainder is 297. Multiply this. What you have to do? You have to multiply, cross multiply 378 and 749. We have done the multiplication. You will get some answer. Then you have to add this number, and that number should be 283419. Then only you can say that what you have done, the division is an correct one. So you know division of this now? Yes, because we had seen in the previous class divisions of a 3-digit number with 3-digit number. Whatever the answer you are getting, you have to add, that is 297. So we will get this answer as 283419. We have to check that is this and this answer are same. So we can say what division we had done is a correct one. So now you understood that what is an division. Yes, you can do the division of any number with a large number, with a 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. Because I had given you trick that in the the right hand side you can write with a small handwriting the table, and we can find out the division. That was the division what we had done. Now we will see one of the word problem. What is this? 68 people can travel in one bus. Number of people in one bus, how much? Number of, did I write the whole problem? No. First we will write what is given to us. Number of people in one bus is how much? 68. In one bus, how many people were traveling? 68. How many buses will be needed for this much number of people? 1904. We know that there are many peoples, and I have to divide it into 68 peoples. Suppose this is a 68 peoples. This is 68 peoples, this is 68 people. Can I do it this way? No, it's not possible. So what we have to do is a division. So we will do here, will be needed for this number of peoples going to an pilgrimage. Means what? In one bus, 68 passenger can sit or 68 people can sit, but there are 1904 passenger want to go for the pilgrimage. So I want to find out how many buses will be required to occupy this all the peoples. The question is how many buses will be needed for this number of peoples. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the division. You are right. 1904 divided by 68. Number of passenger is how much? Number of people is equal to 1904. So what I have to do? Therefore, number of buses required is equal to 1904 divided by 68. Can I do the division in this way? No. So I have to follow these steps and I will try to do the division. Now we are having here 2-digit number. I have to see here 2-digit number. 19 and 68. Here I am having very small 2-digit number. So what I have to do? I have to go with 3-digit number. Do you know 68 table? No. We will try to solve here as 68 ones are 68 twos are. You know 68 ones are 68. 68 twos are, you don't know. I had given you trick. 8 twos are 16. 1 carry. 6 twos are 12 plus 1 13. We will go for 68 threes are. 3 eights are 24. 2 carry. Here will be 6 threes are or 3 6 are, both are same. So 6 threes are 18, 19 and 20. Now we have to find out, already we got the here number, large number than this number. So I had stopped here doing the multiplication. So we have to find out which number will be used here, which number will be suitable to do here for the division. Yes, can we go for 136 or we have to go for 204? If I say we will go for 204, are you agree? No, I am wrong, because we have to write always the number should be smaller than this number, smaller than this. Then what should I do? I should go for 268 2s are how much? 136. What I should do? Subtract. Can I go for 0 minus 6? No, I have to borrow from the previous one, that is here will be 8. So 10 minus 6 you can do. Yes, it is 4. 8 minus 3 you can do. Yes, it is 5. 1 minus 1, 0. If you write, it's okay. If you don't write, it's okay. Next, I should get this number smaller than this number. So what I got? 54. Now I have to get it. Next number down, that will be 4. Now I am having 544. Is anywhere suitable here what I had written the table? No. So what should I do? I will go for the multiplication with large number. So I will try that where I should get this number similar or near to this number. So what should be here? 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4 is 34. Is the same or near to this? No. So we will try again with 6. 6 8s are 48, 4 carry. What we will do? 6 6 are 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Again we are having this number, is the number very near to this? Again we will try with another number. It should not happen, it should be very small. It should be near to that number. So we will try with 68 multiplied by 7. What will be? 7 8s are 56. 5 carry. 7 6s are 42. 42 plus 5. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. Now we will have one more number. 8 8s are 64. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Array, we got the same number here because we had tried with all numbers. We had not written directly. We have to get a same number or nearest to this number. So what it is? 68 8s are. So what I will write here? 8. 68 8s are 544. What should I do? Subtraction. This is all 0. So how many buses? Number of buses required. Therefore, number of buses required is equal to 28. So in 28 buses I can make the arrangement of 1904 peoples. Have you understood? So what we had done? We had written first we had tried to understand what is the statement given, and one by one we had written the solution for this. We had done the division. For the division also what we had done, because it was large number, we had tried to multiply it very simple way. I think so everyone understood this, because it's very simple, because already I had given you trick that how to solve the division of a 3-digit number by 2-digit and 4-digit number by also 2-digit or 3-digit by writing the table on the right hand side with a pencil, which will help you to solve the division sum. So my dear student, I think so everyone understood what is that division, types of divisions, what we had done here. That was very simple one, what we had done. Now we will see one more example, which was previous was of only 4-digit number, was the people who want to go for a pilgrimage. Now we will see one more example. A fruit seller has 4,64,367 oranges. It's a very big number. Yes, he packed them in boxes with each box containing 325. He was having so many oranges, and he was packed these oranges in 325 boxes. Find the number of boxes and the number of orange left over. What is orange left over? The word I already explained in the previous sum. The remainder is the left. Yes, here I am having a 6-digit number which should be divided by 3-digit number. I don't know 325 table. Do you know? Okay, I had given you procedure how to solve. So what is the total number of oranges? Number of oranges is equal to 4,64,367. Number of boxes with each box containing, one box contains how many oranges? 325 in one box. Nowadays we are having a mango season. Your parents might be getting a box of mango, which we are having 4 dozens of mango means what? Yes, you know 4 dozens means 1 dozen is equal to 12. So in that particular box 4 dozens of mango can set there. If I want to set more than that, is possible to? No. So what should I do? If your father's friend brought 50 mangoes and he told that you have to occupy all the mangoes in 4 boxes, and how many mangoes are left over, you say me. So one box was containing how many mangoes? 4 dozen. So what is 4 dozen mango? Is 48. Yes, 12 fours are 48. Means in one box you can arrange 48 mangoes in one box. But your father's friend has given you 50 mangoes. So how many mangoes are left? 2 mangoes. What is that? Is a remainder when you divide 50 by how many? 4 dozen, that is 48. So how many will be remaining? 2 mangoes will be. Here the similar example we are having, which is of an large digit, which is of a 6 digit divided by, we are having the number of boxes is 325. So what we will do? We will do the division of this is 4, 6, 4, 3, 6, 7. Now already I had given in the previous sum what to do. Yes, we have to find out this 3-digit number and this 3-digit number. Yes, this is somewhat greater than this, so I can go directly by Vanza. Yes or no? Yes. Then what will be the procedure? I don't know the table, so what I have to do? I have to write the table of this, and I have to find out first quotient and what will be your remainder. Remainder is nothing but what it is? Leftover. It is an leftover oranges. Yes, my dear student, you know the procedure. Please try to solve the sum, writing your rough work to the right hand side the table and do it. Okay. So I think so, my dear student, everyone understood what we had today learned in the division. Yes, we had done the division of 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number with a daily life practical example which was given in the different story form. Okay, please try to have a practice of exercise problems and solve it, so you can understand what concept we had learned today. Do the step wise, so it will be easy for you to solve it. Thank you.